Previously on Lily TV.
Hi, baby.
Say hi.
Hey, people on YouTube.
Hey loves, it's your girl Lily and I'm back with another video. Okay y'all, so today's video is gonna be about this right here. Look at all that gel, y'all. I got gel in my hair. No, but seriously, I'm about to shampoo and condition my hair. I want to try this style. Mine's is going to be a braid ponytail, so it'll be similar. You do this almost the same process of an extended pony, but instead of leaving the hair straight, you're just going to braid it down. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now I'm about to detangle my hair and then blow dry it. I was supposed to detangle it with the conditioner in it, but I didn't do it. So I know it's about to be matted. It's pretty much dry. Makes my red pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. No. It look crazy, y'all. That's a mess. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. Before I blow dry my hair, I have to section it into 4 quadrants because my hair will dry up and matte, and then I'll have to detangle it again. So it's just easier for me to keep it separated and already detangled in smaller sections prior to blow drying. The products I'm going to be using are gel, wild growth oil, oil sheen, a brush, a comb, rubber bands, got to be glue spray, pre-stretched hair, and last but not least, a blow dryer. To start the process of the extended braid, I am sectioning the back into 2 sections. And then I sprayed the Got To Be Glued on that bottom section, and then I brush it until I feel like it is smooth. And then I hold the hair in the shape of a ponytail while I blow dry it. And of course, as you guys can see, I put that hair in a ponytail, and then I repeat these same steps throughout the remainder of the hairstyle. So you guys can just watch me do that.
picture on my timeline.
Y'all accidentally started braiding in this piece, but this is the end piece that you wrap around. But I didn't have to take the whole braid down, so I just slowly pulled it out of this braid, and this braid stayed intact. So I'm so glad I didn't have to do it over. But I just wanted to let you guys know that. So just keep watching.
On my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline. Overwhelmed for hours by my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline.
Thank you, loves, for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a cheap $20 or less hairstyle. This is a very inexpensive hairstyle. I hope you guys can try it out on your own. It's very simple. I hope this video was helpful. This is not really a tutorial, but I was just showing you guys how I did it. And this is my first time doing it on myself, but I'm happy with the results. I know when I do it again, it'll be better every time. So I'm gonna continue to practice. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. And if you try it out, let me know. Send me pictures, show me how it came out for you. So see you in the next one. Peace.